Guys, welcome to the Tech Nandan channel. So today I am going to explain very important and simple concept about C++, that is the forward declaration. Guys, before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Tech Nandan, and press the bell icon for future notification and update. So guys, the forward declaration is a frequently used concept in real time. So let's read the definition for to understand little bit about forward declaration. Guys, here the definition is: forward declaration tells the compiler about the existence of an entity before actually defining the entity. That so for to understand this concept, we have to first learn the see the example. So guys, it is about function, variable and user defined types. User defined types means our class. So this concept is applied for three important concept, that is a function, variable and user defined type. So by first we have to concentrate about class, because in class we are using frequently, and we don't know about the class forward declaration. We know about the normal function forward declaration. So guys, this is a very simple program. Here it does the addition of two data member of different classes. So guys, this is a class B index. Here we are passing data and applying to data member of class B, and this is a friend function, that is name is the sum, and is the addition of class B and class A data member. So guys, same like class B, there is a class A definition is present. Int y is a data member of class A, and we are passing, and we are assigning, and then we are doing addition. This is a definition of sum is a normal function, but it is a friend of both classes. So that purpose we have to require the object of both classes. So this is the m, and m is object of class A and class B. Then we are doing addition, and we are returning the result of addition. So guys, this is a class B, the object is B, class A object is A. We are passing the data, and we are passing that to the function. As we know, sum is a normal function, so it does not require any class name. So guys, let's compile this code and check. So this gives the error. What is the error? The error is A is not been declared in friend sum A comma B function. So why this error and what will be solution, I will explain. So guys, in C and C plus, compilation start from top to bottom and execution start from main. So guys, here the compilation start, here B is present. Okay, so X, here it goes here. The error occurs because of this line. Here guys, B is present but A is not present before using some function. So that shows the A is not declared. Okay, the definition present, but compiler does not know the where is A. So to know, to the compiler we have to declare before using A, before so guys, here the forward declaration required because of this line. And so there's only one line solution for this error, so we have to declare. So class A, this is the solution of this problem. Suppose here we define the class B, and here we define the class A, and here B. So it shows the error for B. So for that purpose we have to put here class B. Okay, now compile. No error guys, and let's execute. We are passed 5 and 4, so result is 9. So guys, this is the concept. This is also about the normal function. Okay, so if you want the normal function forward declaration variable in depth, then comment on comment box. So guys, this is the video. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for future notification and videos. So guys, bye.